The 1967 Chevrolet Camaro is a true classic and one of the most iconic muscle cars to ever hit the streets. This car set the stage for future generations of the Camaro, and its design and performance still capture the imagination of car enthusiasts today. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into what makes the 1967 Chevrolet Camaro so special, looking at its exterior, interior, performance, and even its price. Starting with the exterior, the 1967 Camaro comes with a sleek, aggressive design that instantly stands out. The front end features a bold grille with vertical slats, giving it that distinctive muscle car look. The long, wide stance gives the car an aura of power, and the sharply angled headlights only add to the car's menacing appeal. The body lines are clean and straight, with a slight curve that flows from the front to the back, helping to give the Camaro a sense of movement, even when it's standing still. The car is also available in various bold colors, including the famous Rally Green and the eye-catching Corvette Bronze. The rear end of the car also doesn't disappoint, with a sleek trunk and rear window design that complements the front end perfectly. Under the hood, the Camaro offers a range of engine options, allowing buyers to pick the level of power they desired. The base model came with a 230 cubic inch inline-six engine, producing about 140 horsepower. But for those seeking more performance, the 1967 Camaro offered a variety of V8 engine options, ranging from a 295 horsepower 327 cubic inch engine to a 375 horsepower 396 cubic inch V8. This made the Camaro a true powerhouse on the road, with a wide range of performance options that could cater to both daily driving and high-performance enthusiasts. The high-performance models, especially the SS trim, were equipped with a heavy-duty suspension, making sure the Camaro was not just fast in a straight line, but also agile in corners. The handling and driving experience of the 1967 Camaro is one of the defining features of the car. The front suspension is an independent design, providing better ride quality and handling compared to many of its competitors at the time. The rear suspension is a multi-leaf setup, which provided a balance of ride comfort and handling performance. The manual steering, while not as light as modern power steering systems, gives the driver a raw and connected feel to the road, which is one of the reasons many car enthusiasts love the driving experience in classic muscle cars. On the inside, the 1967 Camaro offers a straightforward, driver-focused layout. The dashboard is simple and functional, with a central speedometer and tachometer placed directly in front of the driver. The center console houses the gear shifter, with a neat, organized design that enhances the muscle car feel. The seats are supportive, designed for comfort and to keep you firmly planted when driving aggressively. While the interior is minimalistic, compared to modern cars, it perfectly complements the car's performance-oriented nature. The materials used in the interior are rugged, but you can still feel the quality that Chevrolet put into this muscle car. You won't find leather or fancy features, but rather durable vinyl upholstery that has aged gracefully over time. When it comes to performance, the 1967 Camaro is a force to be reckoned with. With its wide range of engine options, it offers everything, from a more relaxed driving experience with the base six-cylinder engine to sheer power and aggression with the V8 engines. The car accelerates smoothly, and the sound of the engine roaring to life is something that will send chills down your spine. The suspension system works well to keep the car balanced, and while it doesn't offer the same level of comfort as modern cars, it still delivers a rewarding experience on the open road. It's a car that feels alive and connected to the driver, offering a visceral driving experience that's hard to find in today's cars. In terms of pricing, the 1967 Chevrolet Camaro had an MSRP starting around $2,460 when it was first released, making it a relatively affordable performance car for its time. Of course, prices for this classic car have changed dramatically over the years. Today, depending on the condition, model, and modifications, a 1967 Camaro can range from about $25,000 for a base model to upwards of $100,000 for a fully restored or rare variant like the SS or Z28. The price can also be affected by the car's originality with numbers, matching examples commanding higher prices. To sum it all up, the 1967 Chevrolet Camaro is a car that has stood the test of time. With its stunning design, powerful engine options, and thrilling performance, it remains one of the most celebrated muscle cars in automotive history. Whether you're an enthusiast of classic cars or someone who appreciates true American performance, the 1967 Camaro is an icon that's sure to impress.